संजू हात भीतर गेले होतो कितलो बाहेर काय मारे किती करता रे नंदो
That's the reason I'm saying no. That is the reason what I'm trying to say no. I think we did not work too hard. I lose my card. That is very important. And I basically I did not cover. I think I should have started. Although I had announced our candidates, I should have started much earlier actually. I apologize to my candidates who have lost. It is actually my defeat actually for those 5 candidates here. It is because of me. Because I take the full responsibility because I should have worked harder.
25 येऊन सुद्धा तुम्ही happy ना?
No, sorry. I'm really happy. We were confident that we would get the our team actually really worked hard. There was Agnel. The full team actually really worked hard in Riband.
Anti-party activity.
No, we have got nothing to say about that. Ultimately, the people have spoken.
Sir, you are always supposed to take the opposition within the party. You can see it now.
What is that?
There is the opposition within the party. Now you can see that.
No. See. We are party men. I owe this victory to our Bharatiya Janata Party. It is because of their support that we could win this seat.
Sir, what about Nelson Cabrera? You lost by there also. You are
that's the reason I'm saying no. I lost. I basically did not campaign that much. What I had to do. I did not give time.
What about own seat of Surendra Putharga?
So that's the reason I'm trying to say no. I did not give much time. If you go to see all these seats which fell, I didn't even campaign them.
Yeah, okay.
You check in all the street seats. No Soraya's seat I campaigned, nor Rahul's seat I campaigned. So these are the seats.
What do you have to say about with this result in the next?
Even as far as Surendra Puthar's seat is concerned, I just must be around 25% only I had done. But in fact, I congratulated Mr. Surendra Putharga.
In the next 6-7 months, assembly elections.
Now we see. Now elections are over. Now basically, what has happened? We all need to work together. All 30 people. For our main aim was is Panjim first.
Okay.
That is very important.
My question is that from last many years, I am seeing that 15 years your panel always owned this CCP. Now your panel owned by 25 seats. There are some other issues you are going to sort out or not?
What are these? What
issues like Santini Nala, Santini, and everything?
See, everything needs to be sorted out. No?
Okay.
See, people have faith in us. That's the reason people voted us.
But now you are in the government also. Earlier you were not in the
reason. So that means there is more responsibility on me, basically to complete this project. Now, for the past 25 years, you see all the manifestos from all the political parties. Santini Nala is always mentioned. But I will see to it when my next manifesto comes, Santini Nala will not be mentioned. Okay. No. I don't give any credit as far as the rebels are concerned. The thing is my fault. It is totally my responsibility. I did not go to industry vote. If you just check your facts and then you ask me.
Those 25.
Babush 20. Whatever we have promised will be implemented. Yes,
Babush 25 सीट येयल्या उपरांत तुमकां तो पणजेचो सीट असेंब्ली इलेक्शना खातीर सेफ दिसता तुका?
No. See, I don't say anything. See, municipality election is totally different to assembly election. We all need to basically work hard. We need to basically concentrate. We should not leave ourselves loose. Thinking,
This was a testing ground for you.
See, BJP party is a missionary. Okay, it is like a factory. It doesn't stop the moment election gets over. Today the election, back again in the evening they'll start having a meeting of the board. So we are always working. I am thankful to them because of their support. Actually, I could fulfill this target. Still, we lost. See, listen to me. Young, old, bald, I don't know what is crippled. That I don't know. But I am just trying to tell you, it is a BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party basically will choose the mayor.
ओके तुमच्या रेसीन आसतलो मेयराच्या
I told you Bharatiya Janata Party will choose the mayor. I will not have necessarily Bharatiya. We done it. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you. Congrats for your new innings. Okay, and all the best. Thank you, sir.
Venga, Shubham. राव वयता ओके डन संजू पुढे रे संजू पुढे रे कोण नाव रे वय ओ कोण ढुकलता मका बरे बोलल्या किती गो
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
माझा लीडर बाबूजी मनसरात माझ्या विश्वासाकडून म्हाका तिकेट दिली. ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर आमचे डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत, पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट आमचे सदानंद शेठ तानावडे आणि संघटन मंत्री सतीश जोड सगळ्यांचे आभार मानता. त्यांनी माझ्या विश्वासावर म्हाका तिकेट दिली आणि जे कार्यकर्ते मन लावून काम केले. माझी लीड 401 जाली पण चिंतलेले हांवें 500 तरी म्हाका लीड मेळटली म्हणून चड थोडे आमच्या भितर रावनूच आमच्या अगेन्स्ट काम केल्लें आसा. पूण हांव आय एम हॅपी जिखलो म्हणून.